Hey there, pretty people who make money. I'd like to talk to you about Pepecoin. Pepecoin is now worth 0.40381, which is 15% more than it was yesterday. You can see that Pepecoin shrinks when I get it. Excuse me while I wait a second. I'm having a nice movement for Pepe. About 3.6% movement in the last half hour. Floki, Bonk, and Pepe have been moving around with their trio here. All three of them are over 15% here today. Even better, Floki had good news. It would also be listed on COINBASE, just like Pepe had a few days before. In general, the crypto market is going through the roof, with Bitcoin back above 9,100 at 4.3%. It went up, but it has been leveling off for the past few hours since the stock market closed at 11 o'clock my time. You can see that it's been leveling off. There hasn't been much action, but we have seen some big moves like Pepe, which continues to move up into a 9.9 billion market cap. Holy smokes, this isn't a joke. And Pepe is getting a lot better. The question is how high Pepe might be able to go. That's what we all want to know. Pepe could become one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Is that something it can do? Could it get the best of you? It's possible. You should know that during the last cycle, Shiba Inu was higher than Dogecoin when it was rising, but then it went back down. These three are moving up quickly right now, but the others are also moving up. I'm sorry about that. I'm not sure if Pepe would flip it for a long time. Maybe if there was a lot of movement, then we saw Pepe point getting a lot of run, but the market is still young. Okay. You can see that there has been, let me say it again. There were more liquidations on Pepe in the last hour, so we might see more of them. As you can see, $1 million was just cashed out, or 1.7 million, because we have a million on both the 1,000 Pepe contract and the regular Pepe contract. A lot of liquidations have happened here recently on Bonk, Doge, and Pepe, all on the short. This has all happened in the last hour or so. But that reason, what we're seeing with Pepe right now is very interesting. Naturally, it went up another 20% the day before and the day after, which came after those big changes yesterday and the day before. It then went back down. We haven't seen Pepe reach its all-time high yet since it was made yesterday. The question now is, can it, break to that? Right now, Pepe would need to jump another 10% to reach that goal. Is that possible? I saw Pepe get to 20% and then back off yesterday. Because of this, it's not impossible that it will go up by another 10% today near the end of the day, or maybe it already has. It's almost 13 minutes until UTC. We'll light a new daily candle. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling well and I have a bad cough. I'm sorry for coughing so much. Of course, you're going to hit the like button. I know it. I need it for my coughs, right? But things are interesting because November has been a great month for the crypto market ever since Trump won the election. Crypto has been going through the roof, and the great news about Robinhood and COINBASE happened at the same time as Pepe. This made it possible for a lot more buyers to come in and put money into Pepe. That's why we see a lot of people doing it. In the past few days, I've used our partner Margex to trade Pepe a lot. If you're interested, there's no need to do KYC because it's not offered everywhere. But if you want to go with leverage long or short, the link is in Pepe's statement below. The 1,000 Pepe deal lets you do it up to 25 times. You can get up to $10,000 in bonuses if you can claim them. You'll get $50 when you sign up and another $50 when you put your first $100. If you use my special code, you'll also get an extra 20% on all of your deposits. And the link is in the text below. There will be a small fee for me, but please trade wisely. Leverage can help you make a lot of money, but it can also hurt you badly. A lot of my money has been made and lost with Pepe. Sometimes I lost because I traded too much, and sometimes I lost because the price of the object went up or down quickly. And yesterday, when it was going down, some of my trades were stopped out. If you do choose to use influence, you need to be very careful, okay? And the link is in the text below. Of course, not tips on money. Make sure you know everything you need to know before you spend. We're already seeing Coinbase and Pepe on Coinbase in real life be one of the 10 most popular apps. Reading ahead, I think it's the best in the money app on both Apple and Android. Of course, this means that more and more people could join Pepe and have the chance to invest in Pepe. It's normal for prices to drop a little before UTC time. It's how the game is played. You can see that Bitcoin is also going down in value. This does happen sometimes. We're up another 5% while you watch this movie. We might be down another 5%. Pepe's price might go up or down. I have my places. I have a job opening for... I opened the position right now after it went down and saw that it didn't cross over the 1348 EMA. I chose to open the position here and it got rejected. Then it started going up and now it's snowed down a bit because it was here before, but I'm still in the green. I believe I'm ahead by around 60% in that job. That being said, it will be interesting to see where Pepe might go next. And there are, people who have had Bitcoin since about 2010. That's not something everyone can do. 2,000 Bitcoins are worth about $178 a million right now. Having said that, if you decide to invest in cryptocurrencies today, you need to decide if you're trading Pepe, like I'm trading it right now, or if you're getting into Pepe because you think it could become a top 10 crypto. Shiba Inu got to about 40 billion or somewhere close to that. Could Pepe 4x from here? Most likely, yes. It's possible that market caps will be bigger this time. That means it might reach 90 billion, right? A 10x from here. That's a possible outcome. I don't know how much Pepe could go up or down, though. Even though I'm not a psychic, I can tell you that Pepe is currently on a roll. A lot of people are looking at it. I also like to run the wave sometimes. People will sometimes say, well, it's just a meme coin. Isn't it silly? I mean, I'm in the business of making money, and if I can make money off of something, I'll do it, even if other people think it's a bit silly. Okay, that's what I'm doing now with Pepe. I'm really thankful for my good luck. I got lucky when